use to downshift. Gucci. All right, so tonight we're gonna do a POV drive. We're gonna be testing the E55. We had a little bit of a hiccup with it in shifting gears, but first we're gonna stop and get some gas for this. These gas prices are getting out of control. Now, I did go ahead and put this on. I think it looks clean, gray on gray. But anyways, while we're fueling up, even though I styled these rims after the two-piece Chromodoras, I'm sick and tired of the black. I think I'm gonna go ahead and change them. So maybe time for that. Yes, I'm bald. I'm bald now. There it goes. All right, we got the camera equipment with us. Oh yes. Full tank of gas is always nice, but it's not gonna last very long with this. This thing never gets old. Are we in sport now? We're gonna go ahead and put a sports 2. We'll leave it in sports setting for the TCU, even though we have agility. We'll leave it there. Actually, no, I'm gonna put it into manual. This thing is so much fun. This thing gets you in trouble though, man. And the thing about these CLS mufflers is it doesn't drone in here. It's what I love about this exhaust setup. Now I have long tube headers to CLS 63 mufflers, and the long tubes have an X pipe in them, so it does sound a little bit more raspy. And this thing just has a decent bit of body roll. And here's a bump right here. Let's go next to the sound wall for a little bit of sound. Ah man, that V8 compressor just does not get old. Now we're coming here to possibly film the car, you know. I have my camera set up here in this bag and some other small stuff. I think I saw another creator come over here and they pulled up next to the Gucci store. And I think that'll probably look a little cool with the E55 and Gucci. Man, it just smells like fumes in here. You know, there's no catalytic converters. Roll down the windows a little bit, get some sound in here, you know. Can you really hear that one with these Wistek filters? Oh, this might be a good spot actually. Take a couple pictures here. Yeah, take a couple pictures here. Right here. Yeah. Let's turn off lights. Man, that thing looks so good. I got Louis V. Ah, right here. This is where we're going right here. Oh, yes. That's loud. Next to the Gucci. Gucci. I gotta put that on the other side. the noise echoing sounds so good. Alright, is there any other places in here that look good? That compressor whistle. Ooh. Alright. There's security. Security! All right, let's go do a little tunnel run. I think there's a small tunnel on the way back to St. Augustine that we're gonna go hit real quick. We're gonna keep it in manual for now. And it refused to downshift. I actually just pressed it twice and it refused to downshift once. It refuses again. Looks like they got some road work going on. I'm gonna drop it down a second. Oh my God. I love this thing. Speaking of, there he is. You know, for being 23 years old, this car rides really good. We're gonna go ahead and put into comfort now. I mean, we're just coasting at 85 and it doesn't feel like it. In Uniden, we trust. Well, the car feels relatively fine. Don't know. A little while ago, I had a hiccup with this car, with the throttle response. I put my foot down and it refused to go anywhere. It just stayed at the speed it was. So it's very interesting. Have to look into that. But that's gonna be all for tonight. If you like this type of content, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and let me know down in the comment section if you want to see more nighttime POV drives. Thank you again for watching.